Hi there, this is Jonathan, and in this tutorial I'm going to draw a parrot eating a pickle. How about we work with the marker feature, or a marker anyway. This is Sketchbook Pro. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so we start with an oval for the head and another oval for the body. And how about pipe legs? An interesting kind of shape for feet. I'm going to add 3 feathers top of the head. So 3 more ovals here. Another oval yet for the beak. And let's see if we can give him a bit of a lip here. Smirk. The eyes here. And let's see. The pupil here. Well, here. And we can have this wing here relaxed this side, add feather effect here, and say I want him eating a pickle, so how about this wing going like this, and how about that pickle here. I'll erase the extra lines shortly. And I'm going to have his knees here. Horizon line. So it looks like he's standing on something instead of floating in space. With the shadows here. Shadow under here. Before we forget anything, how about we save this? And parrot as a pickle. And that's another drawing, but I'm going to do this again. V2. It's going to be another version. Okay, and back to the drawing. We're going to have a jar over here. I'll make this large enough. Very free form. Large enough for me to be able to write pickles. If I use a different tool, like the pencil tool, you can always go back, make it more legible. Just want to block this out, have an idea whether it's going to fit. Looks like it can fit. Okay, how about we go like this? And have like the water line or vinegar here, liquid, right? I'm going to draw some pickles here also. can leave the word pickles as it is, or you can make it look like a label. And I'm going to come back to that. A label like a paper label, stick on. How about we do this? Or I can use the marker again and just draw across. Maybe that's better. And you give it this little shadow over here. And we'll make this filled in as if it is a lid. Maybe we can even have like the thread as if this is a screw-on jar top, and we have the shadow underneath the jar. And now I got some cleaning up to do, I guess. We got now where else do we need here? We might actually be okay with this. I think so. We actually have ourselves a parrot eating a pickle. You can also add more feathers here. Okay. I think we're just about done with this. I'm going to sign this. Rule number 1, something I've learned from reading a book about cartooning. Just have fun with it. Rule number 2, practice, practice, practice. This is from a book by Bruce Blitz about cartooning. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.